Let me explain how to install the software if no antivirus is installed. If no antivirus is installed, this means only Defender is present. In that case, let me show you how to install the software. In very nutshell, you will be unzipping the installer and starting the setup process straightway. Let the installation complete without any disturbance. Don't close any files that open during the installation process. They will close by themselves. They'll complete the installation completely for you. So the crux again is, don't yourself close any window till the setup finishes. So this is the whole point that my stress is there. So once the setup has finished, no action, nothing needs to be done. Your player is ready to run. This is the simplest thing that is possible, and this is to be done when there is no antivirus, only Defender. For details, let us read on. You will get a zipped file. You may be downloading it, or maybe you will be getting in some pen drive or in some other source. You somehow have to get the zipped file on the desktop. Double click it to see the contents, and then drag the zipped file, the setupplayer.exe, or maybe of some different name. Just drag it to the desktop. The whole purpose is to extract this out of the zipped file. When you drag, it will ask a password. The zipped file that we gave you, this zipped file is password protected. It will have a password. Enter 123. So we have entered 123. After you unzip it and you double click to run it, you might see Windows protected your PC. This is Windows Defender Smart Screen, and more info will be there. Click on this more info, and one option will appear somewhere here. It will appear run anyway. This is done by the Defender because you have obtained the file from the internet. That is why this Smart Screen Defender will appear, and it is always shown if the files are unsigned. So you will have to, in that case, do more info and come to run anyway. So after you run it, if you execute that, some language will be there, the installation language. Double clicking, you will see the Defender, and now you will see a language. Select your language. Patiently allow the installation to complete. And here is that important point. Towards the end of the installation, you will see a black or blue PowerShell window. This will stay open for quite a long time. It will stay open for a long time, and it might give you the impression that it has hung. Ignore. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't close it. Let it complete. Even if it appears to have hung, don't close it. This is the main crux, which is for the case when only Defender is present. This PowerShell will do all the installation, and finally close the setup wizard. The setup has completed. Click finish. Everything is done. Player is ready to go now. So this is the installed icon. Double click it. A box appears. This will appear only the first time you use. It will ask some server name. This server name you will obtain from your provider. Enter that. Click OK, and it will contact the internet for first time initialization, and then your player will be opened and it will coexist with the Defender. You can enjoy the player. If Windows gets update, usually a major update, then you will have to perform the reinstallation. You may be required to perform the installation once again. Whenever the need arises, repeat the process. So that's all. Thank you.